In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page in Webflow. Whether you're expanding your website with an About Us section or setting up a fresh services page, adding a new page to your Webflow project is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, let's begin by opening your project in Webflow. If you're not already there, log into your Webflow dashboard and select the project you wish to edit. Once your project is open and you're inside the designer, we're ready to add a new page. To do this, head over to the Pages panel. You'll find it on the left sidebar, represented by an icon that looks like a series of stacked rectangles. Click on that, and you'll see all the existing pages of your website listed there. This panel is your central hub for managing the structure of your site. Now to create a new page, look for the Create New Page icon. It's represented by a plus sign, usually located at the top right corner of the Pages panel. Give it a click, and you'll be prompted with options. Select New Page from this menu to proceed. This prompts Webflow to prepare a fresh canvas for you to work on. Next, you'll need to enter a name for your new page. Think about what this page will be used for and enter an appropriate title. For instance, you might want to name it About, Services, or Contact, depending on the content you plan to include. This name will not only appear internally within your Webflow project, but it will also show up in your site's navigation, so choose something clear and descriptive. After naming your page, you have the option to adjust a few settings. These settings can help optimize your page for search engines or control its accessibility. You can set the URL slug, which defines the path of your page on your website. Additionally, there are SEO settings you can tweak to improve how search engines find your page. If your new page contains sensitive information, you can even add password protection to restrict access. Once you've configured everything to your liking, it's time to finalize your changes. Click the Create button. Upon doing so, Webflow will add the new page to your project and open it for you in the designer. And there you have it. Your brand new page is now part of your website and ready for you to start designing with text, images, or any other elements your heart desires. By following these simple steps, you can easily expand your website structure, accommodate more content, and enhance the experience for your visitors. Happy designing!